So good morning all my dear students of class 5. This is a math teacher and the host of this video Ajit Haridas Mani on the behalf of our school Sripatrao Bhosle High School Usmanabad welcomes into this online video lecture series for class 5 subject mathematics here. Now this is our video number 8. In previous 7th video we complete our second operation, that is of subtraction there, and on that subtraction we have given there a problem set number 12, and that problem set number 12 we have completed on word problems based on subtraction process. So I hope you will watch that video number 7 carefully and all examples you should get understand here. Now we are moving towards our next part of this, our third lesson that we started in previously videos there, that is the addition and subtraction for class 5 mathematics here. Now the next part that we want to continue in this video, that is based on both operations for, that is addition and subtraction here, and the next part is that related about mixed examples. So mixed examples, that is its meaning we want to continue into the next slide there. So mixed example that given on two or more than two operations there, such examples that we want to continue here. Now present lesson, that is this third lesson, it is depend on first two operations, addition and subtraction here. So related about this addition and subtraction we are going to continue to explain the mixed examples here. So let's proceed towards the mixed examples and their meaning here. Now here I want to take the information about this mixed examples. So when we listen about the mixed examples in mathematics, the meaning behind that mixed example that hidden there, that we should understand here first, and then we can proceed how we can solve them. Now here I am taking somewhat a definition type information about these mixed examples in front of you. This example here I am showing also. Now let's continue the definition somewhat about this mixed example. Out of four basic operations on numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, if the given example contains minimum two or more than two operations, then such example is known as mixed example. So we know in mathematics we have four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If the given example contains, that means it consists minimum two different basic operations or more than two basic operations, then such example is known as the mixed examples. The meaning of this mixed example we continues in our Marathi language in this way. गणितामध्ये चार मूलभूत क्रिया आहेत, सर्वांना माहीत आहेत: बेरीज, वजाबाकी, गुणाकार आणि भागाकार. जर दिलेल्या उदाहरणांमध्ये कमीत कमी दोन भिन्न क्रिया किंवा दोनपेक्षा अधिक क्रिया एकत्रित आल्या तर अशा उदाहरणास नेहमी आपण मिश्र उदाहरणे असं त्या ठिकाणी म्हणतो, या पद्धतीने नाव देतो. This is the meaning of this concept in our Marathi language. After this, here I am taking two examples. Just here I am showing why this example is called here mixed example. That's why here I am taking the first example, that here I am taking 2547 plus 9534 minus 7953. So into this first example here I am taking addition and subtraction simultaneously. So this is called as mixed example. Let's observe second example that here I am putting 6855 divided by 5, it is multiplied by 235 minus 21965. So if you observe this second example that here I am taking in front of you, in that second example we combine three different operations. First is division, second is multiplication, and third is subtraction. So such example is known as a mixed example. So after taking the meaning for this mixed examples, now we have to proceed. While mixed examples given us to solve there, then which steps we have to follow in solving these mixed example, those steps now we are going to explain here. Now this is our third lesson on addition and subtraction. So related about first two basic operations, addition and subtraction, we are going to take here the mixed examples here. So while explaining the steps into this part, here I am taking information about just addition and subtraction only. So the steps or the important precaution that we want to take while solving this mixed example. So steps for solving mixed examples in this way. While solving mixed example having addition and subtraction together, then addition and subtraction carry out in the orders in which they are given. That means if addition gives first, carry out addition, after that carry out subtraction, and vice versa of this. So here the important meaning here into this part we are continuing the mixed examples on addition and subtraction, these two operations only. So while observing the given mixed example from left side of your hand, the first operation that coming first, that we had to carry out first there, and then we had to carry second operation. So while giving the examples, in some examples from left side addition gives first, then we should carry out addition first. In some examples from left side we have given subtraction first, then we had to carry subtraction, and then remaining continue second basic operations. In short, if we continue again the meaning of this step in our Marathi language, मिश्र उदाहरणे सोडवत असताना त्या ठिकाणी बेरीज आणि वजाबाकी यांचा जसा क्रम आपल्याला दिला असेल त्याच क्रमाने या दोन्ही क्रिया कराव्यात. आता हा क्रम पाहत असताना आपल्याला कोणत्या पद्धतीने पाहायचं आहे, तर दिलेलं उदाहरण आपल्या समोर असतं, त्या उदाहरणामध्ये आपल्या डाव्या हाताच्या बाजूपासून उदाहरण पाहायला त्या ठिकाणी सुरुवात करायची. तर डाव्या हातापासून पाहण्यास सुरुवात केल्यानंतर डावीकडून जी क्रिया पहिल्यांदा येते ती अगोदर करायची आणि त्याच्यानंतर दुसरी क्रिया करायची. याचा अर्थ काही उदाहरणांमध्ये डावीकडून बेरीज पहिल्यांदा देतात, तर त्यावेळेस बेरीज पहिल्यांदा करावी लागेल. काही उदाहरणांमध्ये डावीकडून वजाबाकीची क्रिया अगोदर देतात, तर अशा वेळेस तुम्हाला वजाबाकीची क्रिया पहिल्यांदा करावी लागेल. म्हणून या ठिकाणी कॉमन नियम असा आहे मिश्र उदाहरणांच्या बाबतीत, दिलेलं मिश्र उदाहरण सोडवत असताना त्याचं उत्तर शोधत असताना त्या उदाहरणात डावीकडून जी क्रिया पहिल्यांदा येते ती क्रिया पहिल्यांदा करायची आणि नंतर असलेली दुसरी क्रिया त्या ठिकाणी पार पाडायची. सो आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस मीनिंग फॉर द स्टेप्स ऑर सॉल्विंग मिक्स्ड एक्झाम्पल हियर, नाव लेट्स एक्सप्लेन these steps with the help of example here. So I want to show next example here in this way. So examples on mixed operations that we are going to continue here. So the first example that here I am putting in front of you. So let's observe this example. Now if you observe this example, we are taking addition and subtraction, these two basic operations in a single example. First I want to read this example. 12,24,368 plus 11,22,334 minus 10,35,788. So in this example we want to make out addition and subtraction, both operations here. So which operation we do first? So we move towards our rule. Now let's observe this example that given you. Now you are observing this example, that means you are in front of this example. Now let's observe which number comes at the left hand first? I think the answer should becomes 12,24,368. So this is the left side of this example. So that's why from left side, if you observe there, we have given addition first and then we have given subtraction. So as per rule, here I am taking addition first and then subtraction. So starting for the addition of first two numbers, that's why at the left side here I am taking vertical method of addition here. So in addition we are using 7 columns because both numbers are of 7 digits again. So starting from ones, tens, third column of 100, fourth is of 1000, fifth is of 10,000, sixth is of lakh place, and seventh is of 10 lakh place. So after taking these 7 columns, now we are arranging the two numbers in vertical method here. First number 12,24,368. So while arranging that number, we arrange 8 into 1's column, 6 into 10's column, 3 into 100's column, 4 into 1000's column, 2 into 10,000's column, 2 into lakh place column, and 1 we arrange into 10 lakh place there. After that we take plus sign there and we want to arrange second number 11,22,334. So we arrange opposite way starting from 1's place. So 4 we arrange below 8 in 1's place, 3 arrange below 6 into 10's place, 3 again arrange in under 3 in 100's column, 2 arrange below 4 in 1000's column, 2 arrange below 2 in 10,000's column, 1 we arrange below 2 in lakh place column, and 1 we arrange below 1 in 10 lakh place column. So this is the proper vertical arrangement, and we know addition we start from 1's place. So at 1's place 8 plus 4 we got answer as 12. For that 12 we write 2 into the main answer and 1 taken as carry into the next addition of tens here. So here at tens column 6 plus 3 9, and in that 9 we make plus 1 there. So 9 plus 1 we got 10. For 10 we write here 0, 1 taken as carry into the next addition. So at 100 plus 3 plus 3 6, we make plus 1 there, we got 7 there. Thereafter 1000, 4 plus 2 we got 6. Thereafter at 10,000, 2 plus 2 we got 4. In next addition 2 plus 1 we got 3, and the last addition at 10 lakh place 1 plus 1 we got 2. So here at the first part of this example, the addition of first two number, it comes as 23,46,702. Now from this sum, that means answer of addition, we had to subtract third number. So that's why at the right side of your screen here I am taking the subtraction in this way. From the sum 23,46,702 subtract or minus 10,35,788. So to continue this subtraction here I am making again 7 columns in vertical arrangement here. So both numbers are of again 7 digited, that's why here I am taking 7 columns. So first column is of ones, second tens, third 100, fourth 1000, fifth is of 10,000, sixth is of lakh, and seventh is of 10 lakh. Now we arrange first number, that is the sum, that means the answer of addition that we get, we arrange first, that is 23,46,702. So 2 we arrange into the ones column, 0 we arrange into tens column, 7 we arrange into hundreds column, 6 we arrange into thousands column, 4 we arrange into 10,000s column, 3 we arrange into lakh place column, and 2 we arrange into 10 lakh place column. After that we take main sign, that is of subtraction, minus sign there. Now we arrange second number 10,35,788. That's why 8 we arrange below 2 in ones place, 8 next digit also 8 we arrange below 0 in tens place. After that 7 we arrange below 7 in hundreds column there. 5 we arrange below 6 in thousands column. 3 we arrange below 4 in 10,000s column. 0 we arrange below 3 in lakh place column, and 1 we arrange below 2 at 10 lakh place column. So after making this proper vertical arrangement, now we start subtraction from ones place. So look at the ones place. 2 minus 8, it is not possible. So to carry out that subtraction, we take one carry from next digit. That is, after taking that one carry, we got 2-digit number there, that is 12. So 12 minus 8, remaining 4 there. After that, instead of 0, there is remaining digit 9. So from that 9 we subtract 8, that's remaining 1. Now instead of 7, there is remaining 6 here. Why 6? Because the one carry from that 7 we actually taken in the ones place there. So 6 minus 7 at 100 place, it is not possible. To continue that subtraction, we take one carry from next 6 at 1000 place. So at 100 place, we got a 2-digit number as 16. So from that 16, let's subtract 7. So 16 minus 7, we got answer as 9 there. So look at 1000 place. Instead of 6, there is remaining 5 only. So 5 minus 5, we got zeros there. At 10,000 place, 4 minus 3, we got 1. At lakh place, 3 minus 0, we got 3. And at 10 lakh place, 2 minus 1, we got 1. So the final answer that we get as 13,10,914. So in this way, we carry out the answers for both operations here. Now we complete the answer for this first example. Again, we continue another example to introduce or to explain the steps that we continue in mixed example with the help of another example. So here I want to continue the next example here in this way. First I want to read this example. 6,45,724 minus 2,41,360 plus 4,54,211. So if you observe this second example, in the second example, from left side of this example, subtraction given first and then we have given addition there. So that's why into the second mixed example, first we carry out subtraction and then we had to make addition there. So look at the left side of your screen. Under the vertical method, here I am taking the vertical arrangement for subtraction process. So both numbers in subtraction are of 6-digit. So we are taking 6 columns here. First is of ones, second is of tens, third is of 100, fourth is of 1000, fifth is of 10,000, and sixth column is of lakh place. After taking these 6 columns in vertical arrangement, we want to arrange these given two numbers in this way. First number, now we arrange here 6,45,724. So while arranging that number, 4 we write into ones column, 2 into tens column, 7 into hundreds column, 5 into thousands column, 4 into 10,000s column, and 6 we arrange into lakh place column. After that we take minus sign there. Now then we want to arrange second number here. So while arranging second number 2,41,360, we arrange this second number in opposite way. Starting from ones place, 0 we write below 4 in ones column, 6 we write below 2 in tens column, 3 we write below 7 in hundreds column, 1 we write below 5 at thousands column, 4 we write below 4 in 10,000s column, and 2 we write below 6 in lakh place column. After making vertical arrangement, we start from ones place, the subtraction here. So look at the ones place. 4 minus 0, we got answer as 4 as it is. So at tens place, 2 minus 6, this subtraction is not possible. So to continue this subtraction, we take 1 carry from 7, and at tens we got a 2-digit number is 12. So from that 12 we subtract 6. So 12 minus 6, we got answer as 6 here. Now at 100 place, instead of 7 there is remaining 6 here. 6 minus 3, now it is possible. Simple example, simple subtraction there. 6 minus 3, we got 3 as it is. Now at 1000 place, 5 minus 1, we get 4. At 10,000 place, 4 minus 4, we got 0. And lakh place, 6 minus 2, we got 4. So the answer for this subtraction we got as 4,04,364. Now into the difference, that is the answer of subtraction, we want to add our third number 4,54,211. That's why at the right side of the screen here I am taking the addition of two numbers here, 4,04,364 plus 4,54,211 here. So to continue this addition in vertical arrangement, we again take 6 columns. Both numbers are of 6 digited. So first column is of ones, second is of tens, third is of 100, fourth is of 10,000s there. Thereafter fifth column is of 10,000 plus, sixth column is of lakh plus here. So these are 6 columns here I am taking. Now we arrange both numbers into their proper way. So first number here I am putting here 4,04,364. So we write 4 in ones column, 6 into tens column, 3 into hundreds column, 4 into thousands column, 0 into 10,000s column, and 4 into lakh plus column. This is the proper vertical arrangement. We take plus sign now. Now we want to arrange 4,54,211. So while arranging that second number, we start opposite way from ones place. 1 we arrange below 4 in ones column, 1 we arrange below 6 into tens column, 2 we arrange below 3 in hundreds column, 4 we arrange below 4 in thousands column, 5 we arrange below 0 in 10,000 place column, and 4 we arrange below 4 in lakh place column. After taking this proper vertical arrangement, now we are going to start here addition from ones place. So at ones column 4 plus 1, we got answer 5 is there. At tens column 6 plus 1, we got answer 7. At hundreds plus 3 plus 2, we got answer as 5. At thousands plus 4 plus 4, we got answer as 8. At 10,000 plus 0 plus 5, we get 5. And lakh plus 4 plus 4, we got answer 8. So after taking final addition, we got the sum here 8,58,575. In this way, in the second example, the both operations that given we carry out in the order in which they are given. First we carry out subtraction and then addition. Now after explaining these two examples in front of you, I hope you will be understand how to continue the mixed examples their solving method here. Now in our textbook, at the ending of this third lesson, we have given the information about these mixed examples there. So from page number 13, at the bottom side of page number 13, we have given the mixed examples such heading there. We have shown there are some two examples on that page, and after that we have given some information about mixed examples there is also. And after that on page number 14, we have given one example as a word problem on this mixed example concept, its solvification, its method, is also given there. So you can observe page number 13 and 14 in our textbook here carefully. Now on problem set that we continues here in next videos, that is problem set number 13 given on page number 14 here. Now this problem set number 13, we have given just word problems here. Simple examples are not given into this word problem set number 13. So that's why the simple examples that we continues as the homework. So in the next part I want to show a homework, and this homework is based on the simple examples on mixed example concept here. And in this homework you have to complete total 6 examples there. So these 6 examples you have to solve yourself in your classwork notebook here. That's why here I am showing these 6 examples here in front of you. If you observe here these 6 examples, first example question is given as simplify. First example, 3,72,190 plus 2,18,310 minus 1,56,900. Second example, 12,79,356 minus 9,17,542 plus 4,18,906. Third example, 13,25,600 plus 2,16,315 minus 7,15,320. Fourth example, 47,34,979 minus 13,925 minus 2,11,371. Fifth example, 36,800 minus 27,91,978 minus 3,01,005. And sixth example given there, 51,51,515 minus 5,55,555 plus 6,66,006. Now when you observe this six example, some students got difficulty in fourth and fifth example. In fourth and fifth example we just given only one operation, subtraction there. So some students says these are not word problems, but according to the concept of subtraction, we do the subtraction of 2 numbers at a time only. Now addition we can continue 2 or more than 2 numbers at a time, but subtraction we just continue at a time between only 2 numbers here. So due to that concept, in example number 4 and example number 5, if we have given subtraction at both sides, then such examples also carries out as per mixed example concept here. थोडं मराठीत शेवटी बोलतो मी या उदाहरणांविषयी. उदाहरण क्रमांक 4 आणि 5 मध्ये आपल्याला दोन्हीकडे वजाबाकीची क्रिया दिसते. काही जणांना वाटतं उदाहरण हे मिश्र उदाहरणात येणार नाहीत, मिक्स्ड एक्झाम्पल्समध्ये. मग या ठिकाणी वजाबाकीची जी कन्सेप्ट आहे, वजाबाकी ही आपण एकदाच फक्त 2च संख्यांमध्ये करू शकतो. बेरजेचे त्याच्याबरोबर उलटी कन्सेप्ट आहे, 2 किंवा 2पेक्षा अधिक संख्यांमध्ये एकदाच बेरीज करता येते, परंतु वजाबाकी मात्र एकदाच फक्त 2च संख्यांमध्ये करता येते. म्हणून उदाहरण क्रमांक 4 आणि 5 मध्ये जरी आपल्याला दोन्हीकडे वजाबाकी दिसत असली तरी आपल्याला त्या उदाहरणांमध्ये 2 वेळेस सबट्रॅक्शन म्हणजे वजाबाकी सेपरेट म्हणजे स्वतंत्र करावी लागणार आहे. म्हणून अशीही उदाहरणं मिक्स्ड एक्झाम्पल्स मिश्र उदाहरणात घेतले जातात, लक्षात ठेवा. सो दिस इज अबाउट व्हिडिओ नंबर 8. In this video number 8, we completed the introduction of mixed example and their solving method here. In next video number 9, In that video number 9, we are going to continue problem set number 13 on word problems based on mixed examples. So here we want to stop here into this video number 8. So till goodbye, have a nice